Yeah, hi everybody, Dennis here. Thought I'd show you what the wife got from Amazon the other day, and it's a silicone baking mat set. Now, this I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to open it now, and I'm going to pull this little guy out. This is to kind of show you what you get when you order it from Amazon. All right, so they're rolled up, and all right, well, this looks pretty good. This is pretty good size. Now I don't know what size that is, but that's going to fit on a baking sheet. Now I looked on the website or the listing, and I'm sure that's where you are right now. But you scroll on down, and you can see how to use this, and you don't have to pre-grease it. Apparently, this is just a non-stick, and what's good is not only do you get one of these, but you get one of these. Gotta like that. Now, for the price that she paid for it, this is unbelievable. I don't know what price you're looking at right now, but when we got it, it was at a very, very good price. So anyway, I thought you'd like to see what you get when you order those. All right.